I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Higher for November 2021. So I'm going through question 16, which reads, there are only 3 red counters and 5 yellow counters in a bag. 2 takes 3 random counters from the bag. Work out the probability that he takes exactly 1 red counter. As he takes 3 and he only takes 1 red, so that means he will take 2 yellow and 1 red. And I need to find all the permutations in which that can happen. So that'd be yellow, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, yellow. I need to find the probability for each one. So first there'll be 5 yellows, and there'll in total. But because you've already taken 1 counter out, there'll be 4 yellows left, and that will mean instead of 8, it'll be 7. And then because you take another counter out, it'll be 6. And there's going to be 3 red counters. And you can apply a similar logic for the rest of them. So 5 times by 4 times by 3 is 60. 8 times by 7 times by 6 is 336. And if you can look closely, all of these are the same, because all of them are the same numbers as numerators and same numbers as denominators, but they're in just different combinations. Permutations. So I add all of these together, so that will give me 180 over 336. Now you can simplify that fraction if you want to, but I will leave it as that because it will save you time. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe.